How to use Roll Laminator HD FM365. First, set the temperature based on roll films micro, and after stop the machine. Please, when installing the laminating rolls, the user have to make sure the adhesive side of the laminating roll is always faced away from the roller, and please be careful when installing the films because the rollers can be hot. Yeah, just use our guidelines. Use cardboard to push through. It gathers both sides of the laminate together. Let it run, so all bubbles or wrinkles are straightened out and two rolls are lined up together. When everything is set and ready to go, you can process everything: large projects, landscapes, portraits, or several small items. And of course, it's very helpful for teachers, especially for kindergarten and preschool. Just use your imagination.